Thinking of you, thinking of you. Thinking of you, thinking of you.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So first of all, if you are watching this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Aditi and welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video. Today's video is gonna be about my skincare routine. Now I follow a very basic skincare routine, like I'm very lazy when it comes to skincare. So here I am starting off by cleansing my face using this face wash from Plum Goodness. It is a green tea pore cleansing face wash for oily and acne prone skin. Now Plum is one of my favorite brands and this face wash is very gentle on skin and it is non-drying. It is rich with antioxidant green tea and glycolic acid, plus it says it's 100% vegan.
Could have all this in the drive-thru. Order my food. Let's stay up.
Now next I am exfoliating my face using this Everyuth Naturals pure and light chocolate and cherry tan removal scrub.
I'm in love with
It's a perfect combination of luxurious and detoxifying chocolate and brightening vitamin rich cherries. It helps to exfoliate the tanned and dead skin cells away. Now first of all, it smells really good and I am gently massaging it with circular motions and then wash it off with water. And then the next step is masking. I'm using this Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee face mask. Now it smells so good, exactly like chocolate. It removes all the impurities which leads to acne and breakouts, and it improves blood circulation. It also gives a cooling sensation, and I am applying it all over my face and I like to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes.
think about
2,000 years later.
Now after 10 to 15 minutes, I will rinse it with water and scrub it with circular motion.
and cruel when we could have all this in the drive-thru.
Then for toner, again I'm using this Plum Green Tea alcohol free toner. I personally like to spray it on my face rather than just dabbing it into my face. I don't know, it just feels so refreshing. Now it has green tea, glycolic acid and glycerin in it. I am letting the toner air dry so my skin can effectively soak up the goodness. Then I'm not using any facial serums or active chemical treatments as such. I love this almond oil from Rogan Badam Shirin Sweet Almond Oil. I just take a pea-sized amount of it and warm it up in my fingers, in between my fingers, and then just dab it on my face. It's 100% natural. If you have kind of dry skin, you'll love this. For moisturizer, I'm using this Pond's Light Moisturizer with vitamin E and glycerin in it. It is my all-time favorite moisturizer. I guess this is my third tub of this. It's non-sticky and very lightweight. I like to massage it for a couple of minutes and I am good to go. A skincare routine is incomplete without a lip balm or a lip mask. Today my lips were kind of feeling very dry, so I'm going with this Borolene antiseptic cream. This product is so good. You have to trust me with this. I mean, if you haven't tried it yet, it works wonder and give amazing results overnight. I love to use it on my hands and feet. Basically, it is used for cuts, cracked lips, rough skin, and to treat infections. So yeah, with that I am done with the skincare. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye.